Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL C33 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way with the usage of the secret code. We have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another way with the usage of the settings, which will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will simply forget about it. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now let's scroll down again to find the model. And as you can see, after entering, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.